Oh, hey guys, what's up? Yeah, it's finally me again. Something that's not building that stupid shop related. We're gonna jump on white trash. I kind of forgot that my buddy's having a car show tomorrow at his new shop, and this thing's in pieces still. I mean, we got a new steering wheel to put in because I'm tired of that factory one. We got subframe connectors that we never did with the plates to go around the torque box there. So that's gonna be cool. And then we gotta get some stickers on this so people know who the hell we are. You know, just like they say, click, clack, Jeffy's back. That was good. That was good. You guys want to go? We're gonna jump in here. Like I said, I'm tired of this thing. I did a rag joint in it a long time ago when we were kids, and we left her upside down. And you know how annoying that is? Can't use the cruise control anyways. So you're gonna grab your favorite 10mm, and you're gonna spin it the correct direction 4 times. You're gonna do that 4 times. They couldn't have made these any longer. I swear to Christ, they'd fucking hit the steering column if they made them any longer. There we go. All right, so now we can take the airbag out of here, which does have one connector on it. It's pretty simple. I don't know what to do with this. I could probably blow it up in a chair sky high. That'd be funny. But I do like a little nostalgia. Put that there, space scooping. What the fuck did I just say? Refer to shop manual before removing steering wheel. Nah. Well, how in the fuck? Nope, that didn't do it. In case anybody was wondering, you just pull it apart real hard. It says right here, pull apart. Alright, well that's fine. Now we just gotta get this guy out of here. And then we gotta get this guy in there. And, you know, it ain't that bad. I've seen where dudes on the internet are like, oh, you could just beat the shit out of it and it'll pop right off. Yeah, well that was a lie, so, you know, fuck them. Don't listen to that bullshit. We got this kit from Jags. It says SAE and metric. Maybe it'll fit. Make sure you gently pull your connectors through there. And voila! Stock steering wheel's off. Alright, now what do we do? Instructions. Words. So we skipped some steps because I don't know. I wish there was something better here. I'm sure at that angle you can see this gap-a-rooney. I had to take out the clock spring and the old horn plate. I'm not going to get rid of them. The steering wheel I went with doesn't have a horn. It has a little delete button. It's for motion. It's pretty cool. I mean, I'll get you guys over here, you know, so you can see it all set up. But I like this. It's comfortable. It's neat. It's got a button for you know, nitrous shenanigans that we're hoping to add this year. So you know, let's shut the hell up and keep going. Now this, I also bought the connector kit from Motion Raceworks. So I mean, that's going to be pretty neat. You know, so when I do have the quick disconnect steering wheel hub in here, I'm also probably going to get rid of most of this stuff too. I'm probably going to go to one of their lightweight columns. We'll just put like a horn button over here. I got my line lock over here on the shifter, and then this will be our nitrous button, you know, so that way when we're hauling the bale, I can just reach over here. If we're, you know, spinnings, I can let off the button. But yeah, we'll put a connector on this. I'm going to tuck it in the dash for right now, just so it's out of the way. Like I said, I'm just going to like a buddy's little car show tomorrow, but dang, this is sweet. I can see the speed, I can see the gauges. I mean, I got the Termini X over here, so I'm not so worried about that. It's a little smaller than I'm used to, but that's okay. I think it looks tits out of 10, boys. Oh yeah, that's much better. Look at that. Then we got the nitrous. Alright, so a little difficult to film what we're doing down here. We're going to do a subframe connector. I'm going to have to move this well-secured return line so I don't spark through that. That's fine. But we also have these torque box plates. So these fit into here-ish. you know, you get your general idea. We're going to flatten this guy out a little bit. We got a little notch right here, so I'm going to put this guy up here, make a little bend, make a mark, make a bend, you know. Do that a couple times while I flatten this out, and then we'll burn it in, and then we'll paint it. Typically, I would paint both sides, at least one in like primer, but I'm honestly not worried about it. I don't think this shit's gonna rust through being, you know, a garage car at this point, because racetracks are gonna get shut down. So yeah, we'll fiddle fart with that, and then we'll jump back in. Sorry for the poor light again. But we're getting there. We got it welded pretty much all the way around. That's a pretty decent gap. I don't know if I'm going to worry about that. This side's pretty good. The best ones are honestly on the backside where it was hardest to get to. I don't think I'm worried about it in here either. Because, I mean, honestly, it's not going anywhere. She's pretty tight. So let's lay this guy in here and see what we got to do with that. Yeah? All right. Alright, look at that. That's actually quite a bit better, yeah. Not so bad about that. So just about wrapped up getting this side burned in. I got to do a couple more welds to burn my arm a few more times. And then I'll jump over to the driver's side and I'll do that real quick. Don't need to film that. And I don't know, maybe we'll do a burnout tonight. Piss the neighbors off before I take the burnout tires off, because Cody said no burnouts tomorrow, so he's gonna run the slicks. I don't know. Maybe I'll do it in the morning before I wash it. Too terrible. I guess, you know, different areas to welded. I welded. I don't know. I'm tired. It's there. Mama didn't raise no bitch. I think I'm just gonna get the welding done tonight. I already got the thing out. So, and this side's a lot easier. Apparently my lazy ass left the 4-cylinder fuel lines in here. I don't know why the fuck I didn't take those out. I really should. Alright, well, update soon. It looks like hot garbage. We run out of gas. Guess it would help if we turn the fucking gas on. Alright, no joke. I was literally doing good until I started recording, so I'm gonna turn this off. Fuck you guys. I got a lot done. I'm excited about it. Seriously though, hit me up with a hat offer, guys. I got extra hats. Nobody bought them. I'm gonna start giving them away if you're watching this far into my videos. I need a shower. But the car is now stiff. So we're gonna get cleaned up in the morning, get the slicks back out of the pile of parts and back on the car. And then we'll do a burnout before we go, because Cody said no burnouts, so. Alright, see you in the morning. Now that all that shit's dealt with, I'm still tired. Let's see how bad we can screw up a windshield banner. I'm not good at stickers. But I do know the first step is to make sure that your wind chill is nice and clean. And this piece of crap ain't clean. Oh. Well, it started raining. So that ruins my plans for the day, so I'm not going to wash the car. But I'll still finish this video and maybe do a burnout. So the internet says to spray it with water and then spray the sticky side with water and then put it on there and then position it and then squeegee the bubbles out. So we're going to try that. Worst case Ontario, I got a second one of these. So, you know, learning experience. Be very careful when you peel off your sticky side of this shit. You don't want it to get all fucked up and rolled up on itself again. I guess we'll squirt her as she goes.
That's what she said.
This would be a lot easier with 2 people, but here I am. The good news is it's wet, so we can move it around. So I suppose this is the right way to do it. I also randomly happened to buy a window tint kit. So that'll have a small squeegee in it. So we use that guy. But first, that's right about 6 inches. put you guys in a bad spot. And that's at about 6.5. Alright, well that's as even as I'm going to get it side to side. Looks good enough to me. Let's make it permanent. Well, let's see how it looks. Oh, that didn't work at all. Wow. That sucks. It's just sticking to the paper, so that was a waste of time. Okay, this is fine. Everything's fine. Well, there's two things that I learned here. One is that I really fucked up that S. Two, probably shouldn't let vinyl sit in a box for a year. Three, I'm way too impatient to make things work right, and it's uneven, and I don't particularly like it. I'm kind of over it right now. It's gonna stay there. I'll worry about it another day. Maybe I'll get one of my friends over here that has more patience than me to help. So my screw ups are your laughing point. That's fine. Go ahead. Just chuckle it up. It's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and move stuff around, and I think I'm gonna take it out on the back tires because I haven't done a burnout in a long time, and I really feel like doing a burnout now because I'm frustrated after doing all this shit. Okay, cut to that now. I just need to get a hold of my tuner and just get this thing over there before all that gets shut down with the EPA. I know that this is inevitably going to happen anyways, and I know that people are trying to fight it who have more money than me, but there's not much that I can do about it right now. So currently this thing's just going to be in and out of the garage until I can get it out to him, and hopefully he's got availability and still doing it. Thank you guys for watching. There's gonna be more fun stuff coming up. I think I'm gonna have to miss the car show today because it's probably too wet to get my trailer at this point, and this thing just doesn't even run that great, so what's the point in taking it, right? You know, there's a lot of ups and downs in this videos, but you know, that's all right. That's all right. Well, there's always next time. There's always more time to fix stuff, and as soon as the shop is built, we'll be doing fun shenanigans out there. All right, thanks. Love you. Bye.